What if I told you there's a free AI tool that helped me reach thousands of people just by repurposing content I already had? Vizard AI gave me that edge. I started with the free plan and it blew me away. Click on the link below in the description if you want to check it out. Let me be clear, Vizard's free version is one of the best tools out there for content creators. It gives you 300 minutes of uploads every month. That's enough to create dozens of high-performing short-form videos, like YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikToks. I used those free 300 minutes to generate short clips from my long-form videos, and the results? Thousands of views. My content was finally getting seen. No editor, no complex software, just upload, clip, and publish. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective. But then it stopped. I hit the 300-minute limit, and just like that, my momentum froze. Vizard asked me to upgrade, and honestly, that made total sense. Because once you taste growth, once you see your reach multiplying, there's no going back. Upgrading to the Pro plan unlocked 2,400 minutes of uploads, 8 times more than the free version. That means I can scale my content output, keep my channels consistent, and never hit pause on growth again. Plus, the watermark is removed and I get faster processing speeds. It's built for creators who are ready to turn content into a business. If you're just getting started, the free version is more than enough to test, explore, and see real traction. Honestly, I recommend it to every beginner. But if you're ready to scale, if you want to grow fast and build a serious online presence, then upgrading is the smartest move you can make. Vizard AI is a fantastic free tool, but it's also a powerful business asset. Start free, grow fast, and when you're ready, upgrade to unlock your full creative potential. And hey, if you're exploring short-form content tools, stay tuned. In one of my next videos, I'll be reviewing another popular platform, Opus Clip, and comparing it head-to-head with Vizard. Make sure to subscribe for more powerful tool breakdowns, free resource recommendations, and content that helps you grow smarter, not harder.